Savitribai Phule Pune University affiliated, JIT Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women Malegaon. Role of carbohydrates, fats and protein during exercise. Myself, Leslie Sunita Kokikra, physical director. Role of carbohydrates, fat and proteins during the exercise. Protein, carbs, fat. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are mainly sugars and starches together consisting one of the three principal types of nutrients used as energy sources, calories by the body. Carbohydrates come in simple forms such as sugars and in complex forms such as starches and fiber. The body breaks down most sugars and starches into glucose, a simple sugar that the body can use to feed its cells. Carbohydrates can also be defined chemically as neutral compounds of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. A gram of carbohydrate provides 4 calories of energy. Carbohydrates are mainly found in plant foods. They also occur in dairy products in the form of milk sugar called lactose. Foods high in carbohydrates include bread, pasta, beans, potatoes, rice and cereals. What is a fat? Fat is a source of essential fatty acids which the body cannot make itself. Fat helps the body absorb vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E. These vitamins are fat soluble, which means they can only be absorbed with the help of fats. A small amount of fats is an essential part of a healthy balanced diet. Any fat that's not used by your body cells or turns into energy is converted into body fats. Unused carbohydrates and proteins are also converted into body fat. A gram of fat provides 9 kcal of energy. The best sources of fats are mainly found in meat product, olive oil, egg, avocado, yogurt, butter, ghee, cheese, cream, sauce, sour cream, ice cream, some savory snacks like cheese, crackers and some popcorns, chocolate, biscuits, cakes and pastries, palm oil. What are proteins? Proteins are made up of many different amino acids linked together. Protein is an important part of healthy diet. Protein is a part of every cell in the body. It helps the body to build and repair cells and tissues. Protein is a major component of the skin, muscles, bone, organs, hair, and nails. Protein is present in every body cell, and an adequate protein intake is important for keeping the muscles, bones, and tissues healthy. Protein is important for growth and for development, especially during childhood, adolescence, and pregnancy. Proteins are mainly present in seafood, lean meats, and poultry, eggs, legumes, which include beans and peas, nuts, seeds, soy products. What does the body burn first? The body has three energy sources: carbohydrates, stored as glycogen, protein, and fats. Carbohydrates are inverted into energy the quickest, so its main energy source. Fat isn't as quickly available as carbohydrates. It must go through additional process before being converted into energy. Protein contributes very little energy. Carbohydrate in the form of glucose is a prepared fuel for working muscles. It is particularly important during high intensive activity, but whatever exercise is performed, some carbohydrate will be used. Fat is a protein are both essential for balanced nutrition intake and healthy body. Athletes, particularly endurance athletics, do really on fat as an energy source when training and racing. The body will use fat for fuel in lower levels of intensity. This saves the glycogen stored in the muscle for later or for more intense level of activity. It provides twice the amount of energy compared to carbohydrates. Proteins is still essential in the daily diet for all levels of athlete. Basically, protein is used to keep the body in good repair. A small amount of amino acids are used during exercise as fuel, as muscles are damaged during exercise. The role of protein is for recovery and muscle repair. Consuming a small amount of protein during endurance activity may make you feel better and satisfy hunger. It will make you able to go further before exertion, but it won't make you get there any faster. That is the job of glycogen. Thank you.